everyone. This is Team C2. Our final project is about an extension to CSSO organization roster page, which creates a comprehensive student organization management system with member-only features. So let me show you our first user story about guest experiment. So as a guest student, I want to check the organization details so that I can decide whether to apply this organization or not. Notice how each organization card over here provides clear visual indicators. So for instance, if an organization card display a red unclickable private label, which means that this organization is currently not accepting new members. Conversely, if you see a apply or join button, it signifies that you are not yet a member and it can either submit a application or join directly. And here we can apply this to submit a application form. But please know that the functionality in the backend for these buttons is still under development and is part of our future work. And we can check the details to view the brief introduction about this organization. And this just shows the basic information about the organization, doesn't show any member-only features. Let me show you our second features user story of organization member. As a member study student in a CS social good organization, I want to see member roster from the organization detail page so that I can view other members and their basic information in this organization. So as you can see here, since I am already a member of CSSG, it doesn't shows any features about apply or join or private of this organization status button. And we click on the detail you as a member, so Sally can view all members of organization, and the first table lists all the members, while the second table specifically highlights the leaders of this organization. So here we face a challenge when we can that we can insert the taste data to the SQL organization when we implemented the user organization table to manage this member list in the backend. The bug was like that I cannot insert any entry to this table since organization table doesn't exist. You might think this bug is super easy to solve, but I was freaked out since at that moment, since when I use the visualizer to see the database, what the user organization was look like, everything was over here. So finally, we solved this issue by going to the office hour and ask TAs, and we figure out together. So the solution is to insert organization fake data before we insert user data. Let me switch to our third user story, the leader experience. As a leader, president in the ACM organization, I want to add other users to ACM so that they can have ACM membership and member-only permissions, such as they can view the member roster in the organization detail page. Here, as a leader, I have a gear icon, which I can edit the organization's information. And here, since most of the buttons is under development, and but we can still update the shorthand to ACM2, and we still require application. So here we just say our organization. Yeah, and it saves successfully. Just wait a moment because our service right now is running a little bit overloaded. And then we need to add, for example, the guest student, Stewie, and we add her to our organization. Okay, now Stewie is already in our organization page, and we save our organization. And when we check details, you can see Stewie is over here. And let's check back to the Stewie. Okay, now as a official member in ACM at Carolina, Stewie student now don't have to apply or join the organization because she is already the member of ACM. And by clicking on details, Stewie, oh yeah, she's already in the table of the member roster. And she can also see the President Paul over here. To Paul President, what if Paul President want to remove SWE student to from this organization, and he can just delete SWE. Now we save these changes and clicking into the details, we see Stu is not over here. In our teamwork, we also had some challenges in team communications about connecting front end with backend services and APIs. It is very hard to communicate in a very efficient way at first, since we use different programming languages. However, we figure out pair programming is a very good choice, and we solve many communication issues based on it. So that's the way we solve our problems and challenges. And in the future, we plan to implement application approval process, allowing leader to approve or deny membership requests submitted by students and add member-only events. In conclusion, our enhanced organization roster page for CXXL not only simplify how students engage with various organizations, but also empowers leaders to manage their groups, their organizations more efficiently. Thank you for your listening.